To replace the P1 or P2 pressure transducer in a 114P pressure myograph, you will need a screwdriver and a DMT purchased pressure transducer. For the P3 pressure transducer, inside your interface, please contact your DMT specialist. To open the pressure myograph chamber, flip the chamber bottom side up. Loosen the screws on the bottom of the chamber and keep your screws in a safe place. Using your fingers, remove the back plate off of the chamber. Remove the non-functioning pressure transducer. Using a blunt tip forceps, remove the tubing attached to the pressure transducer and then disconnect it from this connector. Please be careful not to wiggle the transducer too hard when removing it in order not to damage the connection. And connect the tubing. Close the chamber and make sure all the screws are in place. The pressure transducer replacement is now complete. Please contact your DMT specialist should you encounter any difficulties.